You want to say something to Paul, Tim?
Absolutely. Thank you very much, everyone. I think you guys really pushed us to this next step because, I mean, we were playing against great teams like Poland. I'm very proud of the team. We weren't ready to play our best, and we kind of like Thailand and all the fans, so I'm very sad to go home. But thank you very much for this great experience.
You say everything I know. รักคนไท